Let's talk a little bit about your simulations. Now, as you remember last time we were running the simulation, we specifically were changing the amplitude. And when we did that, the amplitude had an effect on the wave form. These were some of the vocabulary words that we were using. What we're looking at is the fact that this picture here is a wave form. Now, what happened to this wave form as we move the amplitude slider in the sim was it simply got larger. Now don't forget the definition of amplitude that you used. Amplitude is the height of the wave, okay? How big that wave is. So by changing the amplitude, we change the volume of sound. So look at the diagram that's popping up on our screen now. What do you see in this diagram? What's new? Hopefully you're noticing the particles down below the waveform. Remember, as energy is traveling or being passed from particle to particle to particle, that sound energy travels in a wave, and you can see the particles below grouped together in those waves as that energy is passing. Now let's look at this picture. Now in this picture, we're specifically seeing something happen or a pattern form. Look at the position of the wave peaks. Every time the particles are all lined up together, they coincide or they match a wave peak. Now looking at this next slide here, you can see that the larger the sound or the larger the amplitude of that sound, the more particles are going to be grouped together. Therefore, more energy is being passed or transferred in the sound particles. Now you're getting ready to work on your document. I want you to check out this quick video that shows you how to write in the 3 different answers that you're going to be using for that document. You'll see these boxes down at the bottom. Just like before, you're clicking on the box, then going to click the word edit. That will then bring you up to the drawing tool. The boxes that I drew were text boxes. So when it shows like this on the screen, just click by the number 1 and the text box will pop up, and then you can start typing in whatever answer you would like to answer and then hit save. And that will put that on your document. Next, once you get that done, as an additional bonus, on top of the bonus of figuring out how the lobster speaks, I want you to take a screenshot and attach it to this assignment. The screenshot should be of you in your simulation creating a wave that looks almost exactly like the waveform that you see on this screen.